Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for June 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have the cards laid out over here. The first position is past influence, which may impact you this month. We have Empress over here. Let's move to main theme. There is Death. Seven of Swords in the position of roadblocks. Three of Swords in the position of possibilities. I'm also taking out additional cards for love reading. For singles, we have Four of Cups and Seven of Cups. For people in relationship or married, there is Two of Cups and Justice. So let's see the messages for you this month. I will take out one more card. I see some kind of abundance coming for you from the past. Now is the time to reap the benefits of something you invested in or you worked really hard for. I also see some kind of a travel coming in with Three of Wands here. Let's move to the main theme. I will take out one more card. There are transformations, endings coming in to make room for something new. It could be you yourself. You may have outgrown a part and it's time to embrace the new you. Old habits and patterns might have to be shaken off so that you can be reborn again as a new and an improved version. Purge the old belongings, memories, and baggage that are getting in your way. For some of you, there could be major changes coming at your workplace. There could be a significant organization restructure, a change in strategic focus, a significant project that you've been working in abruptly coming to an end. You may face a change in your role which you may not like, or you may even face a job loss. While you may be dismayed by these changes, they will bring you into a new phase of life and help you in ways you could have never imagined. There is surely a career change coming in for you. Some of you may also be shifting jobs. In relationship, you may be losing your identity, or some may feel that they've entered into a relationship too fast and now may be getting second thoughts. For Sagittarians who are wanting to have a child, it could also mean end of problems if you're facing issues related to fertility. So with death, yes, there will be endings, there will be a transformation. However, with Fool over here, the endings would be combined with a new hope, a new optimism. You would be able to leave the past behind and leap into an exciting new journey. I also see some of you starting your own business or joining a startup. With Empress, you may get an offer from the past which could prove very lucrative for you. Let's move to roadblocks. We have Seven of Swords here. With Seven of Swords in roadblock, you may feel a bit forgetful and clumsy. You may also be feeling very insecure of how should you act or behave in a particular situation or with a person. You're getting afraid and a bit paranoid even if you haven't done anything wrong. So probably you may be in a situation wherein you're walking on eggshells. In respect to Fool over here, you may be doubting yourself and your abilities. So you need to get out of your head and trust that you have everything you need to be successful. You may be used as a scapegoat, so be cautious and don't take people at face value. Let's move to possibilities. I would take out one more card. We have Eight of Wands here. These two cards in possibilities are surely a positive sign. Yes, some of you did go through a rough patch, a breakup in a relationship, or challenges faced at work or home front. Or you may have been really disappointed or hurt by a situation that affected you deeply. However, with these two cards over here, you may be able to recoup and bounce back really soon and be on path to recovery. Every cloud comes with a silver lining, and you have other things in your life which brings you joy. Now is the time to realize the abundance that you have and count your blessings. Let's move to the love reading. There could be a sudden proposal coming your way, but you may seem to be a little lost in your own world and not really taking notice of it. Or you may also be a little critical as it may not match your expectations. Let's move to relationship reading. Amazing combination. So people who are already in a relationship may take their relationship to the next level. Some of you may even get married. I would take out one more card for guidance. Beautiful, beautiful message. So this card basically says that you are finally in alignment with all that you've been praying for, focusing on, and working so hard to manifest. Yes, there have been bumps along the way. You have had to release some difficult people, situations, or habits in order to make space for the new. You have felt discomfort and loss and have faced your doubts and fears head on. But now, you are where you exactly need to be. Things will fall into place. Believe in the power of manifestation. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, please leave a message and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for updates. Keep watching. Much love.